Well, this happened earlier than I thought it would. But there's the new refrigerator. Much bigger, deeper than I thought it would be. That's going to make things a little bit more challenging. But that's the new refrigerator. Well, there's my engine. Looks like he's installed the engine mount. That's what that is right there, and which means pieces of the front cover are now in place, or at least the wheels are in place for it to be put on. He's added the camshafts and whatnot, so the top cover is on. He's added a couple of the wiring mounts, which are now reinstalled, which are great. But that's pretty much, we're looking at probably, I think he's finished for the day. So he's got to run out to Columbia to drop off some stuff at his daughter's place and to install the plaques that he made yesterday. So you're probably wondering why I'm wearing this mask. Let me show you why I'm wearing this mask. This is an N95 mask. So let me show you why I am wearing a mask. This is why I'm wearing a mask, because that's R11 fiberglass insulation. And that. And I'm adding, right now I'm taking a break from shooting episode 6, insulation walls, ceiling and walls. So the ceiling and the walls will get done a little bit, probably tomorrow, when I have, Larry on hand to essentially guide me through bits and pieces of it. But basically, I'm halfway done with as you can see, with the insulator, with the vapor barrier. This stuff actually comes with a vapor barrier. That's what this paper is. But I'm an OCD sort of idiot, so I'm adding a secondary vapor barrier on top of it to make me a very happy camper. So yeah, that. So I'm adding a vapor barrier. In the episode, you're probably, all you're going to see with this stuff is me just doing it very, very quickly while I stand right here and talk a little bit about it for about 3 minutes so that we can get to the really interesting part, or at least the part that I think that is interesting, which is hanging my wall and my ceiling treatments. So yeah, that. Well, cutting it, shaping it, and then cutting out some holes for whatnot, and then screwing it to my ceiling, screwing it to the metal frame. Way cool. Anyways, that is all the news that is fit to print. Thank you very much for your time, your patience, and your patronage. And remember to keep your support options in place, please. I desperately need it. I know you don't want to hear the begging, but here it is. I don't have any money, so this is my only source of income at this point. So basically, you're putting food in my stomach. So if you can keep those support options in place for a couple of months, I'd be a very happy camper. All right. Thanks a bunch for watching. I got to get back to work, and I look forward to seeing you somewhere on the road. Bye!